Today on the Bronco Brothers, Bondo Brothers, we are finishing up the Tom's roll cage on Project Chief. Stick around, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and tell a bunch of friends, and leave a comment, good or bad. Umberto reads them all. Whoa! We got the cage tack welded really good. Now it's time to remove it, to finish welding it. Then I can paint the inside, bed liner the floor, get it all ready to reinstall. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, good or bad, share the video on what to do or what not to do. Tell your friends. You guys have a great day. Woo!